For students to feel comfortable while participating in our lessons, teachers need to gain their trust. The main benefits of trust are stimulated productivity, students will work harder, engagement in critical situations, they will react for you in important situations, increased altruism and extra role behavior. Students will display more positive behavior and take on more responsibility. As teachers, we must intentionally create opportunities to build trust. So, collaborative group settings and project-based approach fostering group reflection need to be encouraged to create opportunities for exchange. Since your attitudes and values as a teacher are continuously imitated by students, the most powerful influence in your teaching is probably your own attitude. Here are some ways to do that. Talk about trust. Lead a conversation with your class about how trust is important in all relationships as well as in learning. Give students responsibilities. Trust that they will complete the tasks you set for them. If you see that a student hasn't completed their job, don't leap in and do it for them. When you do this, you are showing them that you don't trust that they can do it on their own. Develop a classroom atmosphere of trust. As students get older, they start to question adults' trustworthiness. This is why your classroom should be a place where everyone is respected and transparent in their communication. Giving explicit instruction or having a morning meeting can be good strategies for students to be open and honest with their feelings. Be tolerant. Be considerate of the negative experiences that may have affected a student's ability to trust you. If a student hasn't learned to trust any adults at home, they will have no reason to trust a teacher at first. Be patient and take the time to get to know your students before you dismiss them. Be consistent. Your students will not trust you if you are not consistent. Listen to your students and learn about their motivations, desires, and troubles. Ask your class questions. You will find clarity about students' thoughts and motivations, and students will feel that you are interested in what they say. Respond intentionally. During moments of joy or distress, you can use what you know about a student to assist them. Acknowledge students' feelings. Use empathy to help students know that they are not alone. Sometimes people need to know that someone understands them. A simple, "I get it," can get the job done. Advocate for students. Show students that you value them by being a voice for them when they need it. Being an advocate doesn't mean that you get a student out of consequences for her or his actions. It means that you help guide the situation towards the best outcome for the student in terms of personal growth. Tell students about yourself. Allow students to get to know you. Seeing you as a real person helps them to trust you. Attend community events. Let students see you do things out of class and school settings. They will feel that you are also like them. Remember dates that are important to students. Students like to be recognized and remembered. Writing a card for their birthday, for example, shows that you both listen to them and care enough to remember. I am sure after completing this chapter, you will ask, am I an empathetic person?